Sa inyong lahat, mga naparito, especially to Sir Lucio, the wife and the family, the entire that family. I would just like to share some historical facts of how gracious at mapagbigat si Kapitan. Mas komportable kasi kami tawagin, pinangalatawag ng Lucio. Usually we call him Kapitan. During the time of Mayor Lim, I was then the vice mayor, and Mayor Lim came up with the idea to put up a hospital for 6th district of Manila. And I opened the place. Sheraton Hotel is a very good place for an afternoon coffee, and talk to Kapitan. Sabi ko, Kapitan, meron kang underperforming property doon sa Santa Ana. Sabi ko, baka gusto mong tumulong sa Manila. Okay. Then start talking to Stoyer, and went back to Mayor Lim. Sabi ko, Mayor Lim, meron na tayong lote, kaya lang hihingi mo kay Kapitan. Pero may principle, he agrees already to putting up a hospital. And Kapitan, for that matter, gave the property, donated the property, and that's now what we call Santa Ana Hospital. I hope you understand me, Kapitan. He's very old now and fragile, but I just wanted to share it to the family, the grandson, grandchildren, daughters, and how gano'ng kabait ang inyong lolo sa siyudad ng Maynila. Ayan yung tinawag ko na pinangalanan ko na Tanyan Day Foundation doon sa Santa Ana Hospital. And I hope we did not fail the Tan family doing so, having in the hospital through the leadership of Mayor Lim. Because noong pandemic, nandiyan si Director Padilla, noong pandemic, sa buong mundo, may problema tayo. In Manila, and in the country, it became the North Star of COVID facility of the city of Manila. And it did save a lot of lives. And I remember that one story of an 85 years old who were intubated, stayed in Santa Ana Hospital for 45 days because there is some COVID. She survived. And that we owe it to our doctors and nurses, and of course, sa pamilya ko ng COVID. Kaya pinag-kwento, Pasko, siguro ng pagmamahalan ng pagbibigay. And we're very happy, and it gives good vibes to the city. And kaya naman kayo mga naparito, pumanatag kayo, ang inyong pamahalang Luzon ay talagang doing our best. Not only the way, every single day, doing tries to bring back the trust of the businesses in the city, which on this CSI, in the last 4 months of this administration, new administration, 6,000 plus new businesses were registered in the city of Manila. And I'm very happy and excited for Sheraton family. Why? As you can see, ang tagal-tagal yung nasa tapat ninyo. And I try to talk to the proponent. Rest assured that you will receive it over pansinin ninyo, in the last 3 months, tumaas na. And I believe in the next 2 years, there will be more commerce and opportunity in this corner. And that will bring more food traffic and opportunity for our Sheraton Hotel in Manila. So, muli, to the Tan family, thank you for not leaving the city of Manila. Maraming umalis nung nawala ako, pero huwag kayong magalala. Yung mga nanatili, magbubuti kami. Yung gusto naman bumalik, huwag kayong magalala. Meron na kayong gobyerno sa lungsod ng Manila. Now, Vice Mayor Gigi and I and the entire City Council and through the leadership of our new Director sa Tourism, Crystal Mamersi, umanatan kayo. Talagang bibili din natin pagputi. And we wish this Christmas to be more peaceful, more healthy, especially to you, to everyone. And hopefully, 2026 will bring us a better year for everyone in the city of Manila, the people of Manila, the country, and the world. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to each and every one of you. Magandang gabi at pagpalayo pa kayo ng mga. Thank you.